you're tired of stressing every single month about bills, grocery, school fees, the same stress month after month, the same roller coaster month after month, and you're feeling like one income is just not enough, then listen to this. I get it. I was in that exact place. A stay-at-home mommy who really wanted to help financially, but didn't know how. I didn't have any qualifications or experience, and I definitely didn't want to leave my boys behind. I just wanted something real, something that actually worked. That's when I discovered a 2-hour workday system that showed me how I could earn online, making 100% profit without any experience needed. And that for me was literally a dream come true. That's the reason why I jumped the gun. I mean, come on guys, I make 100% profit of other people's products I didn't even create myself. I don't need to leave my house to earn 100% profit, and I don't need any qualifications or marketing background. Guys, this program is literally a design for moms like me and you who wants to build that freedom, who wants to build financial stability without sacrificing any time. My friend, if you are serious about helping paying those bills without sacrificing any time with your family, this might be for you. So if you want to know more about the program that I follow, the same program that took me from being stressed out, overwhelmed, to start earning in dollars as a stay-at-home mommy, put it with me in my comments, and it will be my biggest pleasure to share all the details with you.